The world just spoke at the United Nations, and the silence from Washington is deafening. 123 nations voted to acknowledge the lasting scars of the transatlantic slave trade, but 3 chose to stand alone: the United States, Israel, Argentina. They voted against justice, against the documented record of history. This isn't about the past. It's about the architecture of our present, the systems that still dictate our lives today. While the Congressional Black Caucus fights for accountability, the NDAA bill is being stripped of essential protections. We are witnessing the manufacture of complexity to hide a simple, brutal truth. Knowledge is being suppressed in the very halls of power where it should be most sacred. To the members of Congress, your vote is not just a tally on a screen, it is your legacy. The invisible hand of structural power is visible to those of us who have lived under its weight. Stand with the world or stand in the way. We are documenting every word. We are watching.